Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Power Wheel 12 volt battery. This one is the 12 Henry. So the old one we had, it's 12 volt, but the capacity on this one is the 9.5 Henry. And this is by Fisher Price, and it's also the Power Wheels. So unfortunately, I charged this one. Somehow it's charged up to like 12 volt, but when I plug into the ATV Power Wheels, and it just did not want to go. So yeah, when you add a low or motor onto it, it just drained the battery instantly. So that means the batteries are no longer working. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So at first I saw this on the Walmart. It was like a $79.99 or $76 something. And when I actually go to the store and then scan the price, it shows $99. So I asked the clerk, do they match the price tabs online on their website? She said they no longer match the price online, so which sucks. So I went to Amazon and then bought the exactly the same one. By the way, they have a new version and then an older version. So it's only by a couple bucks. So I bought the new version. So and got this one for like $79.99 plus tax or whatever. And then if you have an Amazon Prime member, it's next day shipping. And at first when I tried to purchase with my other account that's a non-Prime member, it shows October 27. So I used my wife's account and purchased it, and then we got it right away. So yeah, let's go and then open this up, and then we're going to test out the voltage. Oh my god, it is pretty heavy. So yeah, it is exactly the same one as the one at the Walmart store. And this one says November 2025. So I guess it's warranty for 1 year. So I imagine I'll go to the Walmart store and purchase one. This is as expensive, almost as expensive as the car battery. Jeez. And this is for little cheap battery. So yeah, it says must be upright while it's charging. So I guess the sulfuric acid has to be on the bottom. Wow! Oh my goodness! So let's give you the side-by-side comparison. Some on this one just say Power Wheel, no longer says Fisher Price. It's kind of warped in. You see that? So yeah, we're gonna check out both of the voltage with my multimeter right here. So positive is on the left side. This one shows 11.62 volt. Huh. And this one shows 12.82. So anything above 12.6 is good. I wonder why it still shows 11.62, but when I plug into the motor, it doesn't do anything. Huh? Alright, so I'm going to put this light bar to the test. Even this one shows 11.36. $12.81. Red, black, so it shows 6.747 something or 81 jumping back and forth, or 977 volt, but the light is not coming on. Test out the good battery. See, the light came on. 12.61, 67, 66, 65, 64. So yeah, definitely this one is no good. Wow, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.